report handed down by Justice Chikore today, it protects, advances and realizes the right to strike as provided in the Constitution of Zimbabwe, including the right to picket. What this means is that members of the AUT of the rest of Zimbabwe are free to continue with their strike and their picketing, provided it is peaceful, and that the police are interdicted from stopping them or arresting them for exercising their activity.